In a previous video, I showed you how to set up the videos inside your TV channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get direct video links that you need. Now, please remember that you can host your videos on any hosting platforms that allow video streaming and give you direct access to the direct video link with the MP4 in it, and not embed page like YouTube, for example. I will start with Vimeo Pro, and not because it's something that we recommend, but it's because one of the most popular platforms that's used by our users. In the Vimeo Pro subscription, they give you the direct access to the video link, but please remember Vimeo do offer unlimited traffic, but only inside the Vimeo player. You will use the direct video link. We have multiple clients that after a while, Vimeo wanted to charge them quite a lot of money because they generated a lot of traffic. So Vimeo Pro is a good option to start out your channel, but when your channel will generate a lot of views, Vimeo Pro will not be a very good option. So you should be prepared for that. To get the link from your Vimeo Pro account, navigate to the video that you want to use and click on it. Please remember that Vimeo is always changing, so what we show you now is how Vimeo looks right now, but it might change in the future, but the idea is the same. You need to go to the advanced settings of your video. In the left side, you'll find a tab called Distribution, and inside the distribution, you'll find the video links. From here, you can copy the link for the resolution that you want to use. We recommend to use the best resolution you have, and that should be a minimum of HD quality. Just click copy, go over to TV Boss Fire and paste your link inside the video resources tab. It is this easy to get your video link from Vimeo. Now if you use a VPS or dedicated server to host your videos, the process should be something as follows. Depending on your hosting platform, you should access the control panel or FTP and upload your videos. In some cases, the provider will have an option to just click and generate the link, but in most cases, you need to generate that link, but it's not that complicated. Your link should look something like HTTP or HTTPS, depending if you have an SSL or not on your domain, like yourdomain.com. And after that, if you upload the video in it, the root folder within it should be your video title.mp4. If you upload the video into a folder, for example, if you use a folder called mp4, your video link should look something like this. After you have your video link, just copy and paste it inside the content field. Previously, in our setup, a self-hosted video, which I altered a little bit, kind of just to put in here, it will fail. If the validation fails, it usually is because you either didn't generate the file properly or CORS is not enabled. If you click this red sign, you'll see that the problem, or what the problem might be. If you know that you generated the link properly, then in 99% of the cases, your hosting provider doesn't have CORS enabled. CORS is technical mumbo jumbo jargon for your server needs to allow outside sources to get information about the files that they host on the server. You need to ask them to allow TV Boss Fire to access those files. It can happen that some providers will not allow it and they won't enable CORS on their servers. As of now, you can still use those videos, just make sure that the video plays in the browser. Copy and paste the video in the browser and see if it's playing. In this case, the video will play in the browser, or we hope it will. It will play, just take a little while longer because to switch to SSL from a non-SSL link. In the case when CORS is not enabled, you'll need to add the bitrate and the duration, so you'll need to have this information. To get this information, usually you can right click on your video and see in properties, but we found a much easier solution. You can access a website called https mediaarea.net/media-info-online. The link's below the video. But you simply drag and drop your video file here, and they'll give you instantly the bitrate and duration. Then you can use them in your TV Boss Fire settings. Now, I hope this video helped you to understand what kind of video hosting you need and how to make it work in TV Boss Fire. See you in the next video.